Alright, what's up guys? I'm here and I'm gonna start a new project here pretty soon over the winter. I got the Cross RC logging truck, as you can see here. It's the folding one, so it could fold up and be carried on the back of the Euro. Wasn't sure which vehicle I was gonna end up getting, but I kind of just settled on the Euro because it looks like it has the best articulation in the back. So I still want to kind of be able to go, not obviously not crawling with this thing like my FJ, but I still want it to be able to climb over some rocks and roots and stuff in the woods without getting really hung up. So I think this one kind of looks like it has the best articulation, other than going for the 8x8, but that thing was like quite a pretty penny. So you know, I mean, even this was, and this is just the trailer. So I should be getting the truck kit this Tuesday. So this is just going to be a kind of a long project. I don't know, maybe I'll make some videos in between showing what's going on, but you can see it's got the double wheels in the back of the trailer. They're all beadlocked, so I got to build all these leaf springs, and some people's kits weren't labeled, but this one looks like every bag is labeled, so pretty excited about that. And the instructions are in English, even though it said that it wouldn't be, so that's cool. Gonna have to glue this all together and paint it up. It's even got diamond plate. This kit's really nice, it really is. I'm thinking there's a couple people on YouTube that do have this truck set up. One guy's is orange and the trailer's yellow. I think I just kind of want to be different, and instead of going like military paint or, you know, caution hazard paint like yellow or orange, I think I'm going to do the trailer kind of like a forest green, and then the cab like a off-white, and I'm going to do like vinyl pinstriping on the cab, kind of like the truck that I built in Snow Runner. That thing looked pretty sweet, so I think I'm gonna try to paint it like that in the game. So it should be pretty sweet. And I'm gonna get logs for it, so I'll be towing around a extended trailer with the logs on it. I think I'm gonna make some kind of a ratchet strap or something to go around the log, so it could just be like a bundle that I keep in the garage and could just throw it in when I want to drive it around with the logs. But yeah, so keep an eye out on my channel, like and subscribe, and I'll probably post some videos along the way just to show. I still need to get some of the servos, so I'm probably gonna go with the reefs. I know RC Sparks, he did his with those heavy duty servos and turned out good, so I think I'm just gonna go with something like that, and get the servo for the winch too, because this thing seems pretty freaking heavy. I mean, this is just a trailer. With this thing loaded up like this, it's gonna be a pretty heavy truck. So this winch got to be strong. It's got to be able to pull this trailer up. So I'm gonna do that. Hide it somewhere in the cab, probably, or on the frame. But yeah, keep an eye out for some new videos.